What's up guys, it's your girl Abby. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, say hi and please kindly subscribe by pressing the red button and the bell icon to get notifications for when I post. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the background of your videos without having a green screen. So if you have a video that you really want to change the background, or you want to use a different kind of background and you don't have a green screen, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do that. Please bear in mind that this technique can be a bit tricky, and to be honest, it's just best to get a green screen. But just in case you don't have a green screen, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So let's not talk too much, I'll just go right into this video. So the software that we're going to be using for this tutorial is called Adobe After Effects. If you do not have Adobe After Effects, you can actually just go on adobe.com and sign up. Adobe offers 7 days free trial for you to use their software before you decide to buy. So you don't necessarily have to pay for it. You can just use this right now to, just practice what you want to do. And if you're students, you're in luck, Adobe is actually offering discounts for students. I'm just going to be jumping right into this video because I want to make this video as short and as brief as possible. So on the Adobe After Effects app, we're going to be using this tool called Rotobrush. So Rotobrush is a tool that's been created by Adobe to be able to select an image in a video or in a composition for it to stand out. So we're going to start by creating a composition from a new footage. So this is a footage that we have, like the video that we're going to be using. So now we're just going to select the video that we want to use and just import that into Adobe After Effects. So now we have the video in Adobe After Effects. Just double click on the clip that you want to edit, and on the top of the screen you're going to find the Rotobrush tool. So the Rotobrush tool is a tool that we're going to be using to segment me, which is the person, which is me in this particular video. And just click on the Rotobrush tool and then you just select the parts that you want to outline. So you make sure that you select the part that you want to outline with the green brush, and that just gives you a pink outline. On the right side of the screen, on the left side of the screen where it says version, make sure that you have the 2.0 version. So this is the latest version. If you do not have the latest Adobe After Effects software, make sure that you download the latest one to be able to use this 2.0 version because it's faster and it's kind of much better. So once you see that you've outlined the wrong part of the, like in this video, as you can see, I've actually outlined more than I actually need. So you need to erase the parts to come into the parts that you need. So I'm just going to be clicking on the Alt button, click, and then drag the the red line across my body. So that just selects the parts that I need, and any part that you don't need, just make sure that you just clear it off because we don't need that. We don't need them to be in the video. So make sure that you outline properly so you don't miss out on anything. Now that we've done that, we are actually on the bottom part of the screen. You see this sort of like weird looking track marks on the bottom part of the screen. So this is just going to outline the rest of the video for you. So once you're done outlining the parts that you need, you go to preview and then you play. So for this, so when you play, the Rotobrush is going to apply to the rest of the video. So as you're applying the Rotobrush, this might take a while. It's actually quite a slow process. Okay, hold on. I need to mute. I need to mute the sound. That was too loud. So whilst the video plays, you can just do other things that you want, but it's gonna be quite a slow process. But you need to keep an eye on the video as well, just in case your outline goes outside of the body or something else in the video gets outlined or something that you don't need basically. And when that happens, just click on pause and then use your brush to arrange it or to outline it properly. But make sure that the video plays all the way through because this is how the Rotobrush is going to work all the way through. So now I'm just playing this for you guys to see how the Roto tool has tracked the image or the subject or the person in the video. So just make sure that you keep an eye out and you make sure that you've rotated everywhere properly. So you make sure your arm swings, wherever way your arms are swinging and all of that stuff has been rotated properly. So now that we are done rotoing and we are happy with what we have, we can now go ahead and change the background. So I'm going to be showing you how to change the background. So now you see these 3 men at the bottom of the screen. So we have this man in red, we have this man in blue or something like that, and then you just click the first man in black. So this is going to show you the outline of what is like. So for us to change the background, we just click on composition. So this is going to remove the background completely. And then you can then import the new background that you want to use. If you want to use a solid color, that's fine as well. So if you want to use a solid color, you just go to layer, new, and you click on solid. So you can use a green screen, red screen, whatever it is. I'm going to be using a green screen here just for the just for the sake of it. So I'm going to be using the green screen as my new layer or as my new background. So the green screen is at the top of the actual video, so that means it's blocking the video that we need to use. So we're just going to move the clip of the green screen, and then we're going to drag it to the bottom of the screen, of the actual video screen. So now our main video is on top of this green screen. So now guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use a different video for the background of your video. So let me show you how that can be done. So now we're just going to go back into our laptop, and we're going to find the file that we want to use, so the new file. So you just drag that into After Effects. So I'm just going to be taking that into After Effects. That's the new background. So I'm going to turn off the green screen background because I don't want that anymore. And let me just play it for you guys to see. So there we go. I don't know why it's taking so long, why it's so slow. But that's our new background now. You can see I found a video just like a sky / a sea, and decided to use that for my new background. I'm going to show you how to save a video from After Effects because it can be quite tricky when you have to save a video on After Effects. So once you're done and you're happy with everything that you need, go to File and go to Export. So it's going to say Add to Render Queue. So you click on Add to Render Queue, and then you can just like save, go to click on lossless at the bottom of the screen, and then make sure that your format is in QuickTime, make sure that everything is right, and then click on OK. And then now you click on the name of the video. So this is the name that you want to save the video as. I'm just gonna save it as new green screen, and then you save it in the folder that you want to save it in. Make sure that your file format is in QuickTime. Click on save and click on render. So this is going to render. Depending on the length and the size of the video, it can take a while for the video to actually render, but luckily this is a short video, so it's rendering really quick. Once it's done rendering, it's going to make a sound. That's the sound it's going to make. And now to save the video, when you are when you have your Adobe account, you can also download Adobe Media Encoder. Adobe Media Encoder helps you to be able to save certain videos that you can't actually properly save, like an After Effects video. So once your video has finished rendering, click Command M on your laptop, and it's going to take you to Media Encoder. So now we're on Media Encoder. So the moment you click Command M on your After Effects app or your software, the video is going to automatically move to your Media Encoder. But just in case the video doesn't get to your Media Encoder, you can just import it. So you go to Media Browser, look at your local drives, and just find the... So you go to your downloads or whatever folder that you save the video in, find the folder and then import it into Media Encoder. Now that your screen or your video has been moved to Media Encoder, just import it into Media Encoder. Then you click on the part that says H264. So this is the format this is where you set the format that you want the video to be saved in. I always advise that if you want to save your video from Adobe, make sure that you choose H.264 is the best setting, and then you can set your preset. So if you want to save it as a YouTube video, you can click on YouTube, whatever format that you want to use. I'm just going to make it match my source. And also if you want to adjust the video settings, the effects, the audio, whatever it is, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to click on OK, and once the thing is ready, I'm going to click this green button on the side that says Start Queue. To click that, your video is going to start rendering and saving as an actual MP4 video. So now you can actually use this video wherever you want to use it. So you guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you find it very useful, and yeah, I hope you are able to actually check this out and actually try this out. Like I said earlier, I actually think it's best to get a green screen if you want to get a clean job. So if you have any questions or you have any confusions and anything like that, please make sure that you comment in this comment section below. I will do my best to help you out. I've also put a link below to sign up to adobe.com. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so now. This channel are actually specially dedicated to teach you guys or to help and bring some acts for you guys on how you can do certain things, or just to make life so much easier for you. You're welcome. Anyway guys, I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you have a nice day or evening or whatever time you're watching this video. Bye.